So here I have created a new file, and first thing which I will do is to insert my body, and I will on my origin plane, and from here I will switch to the isometric, and I will select the right plane and click on the sketch, and I will off the origin plane, and here I will first create a rectangle, and I will delete this two vertical line and make this one shorter with respect to the bottom one, and here I will make it symmetric, so I will select this point and this axis, and here I will deactivate the conflict constraint and select horizontal dimension and provide the 100, and the vertical will also be symmetric, so I will use this point and this axis, and deactivate, select horizontal dimension and provide it 60, and select this point and click on the vertical and provide it 30, and now I will close my profile by connecting these 2 points with a line. Similarly here, now I will close it, and we will extrude it to the distance of 60 mm, and we will keep it symmetric to the plane. Click on OK, and now we will press 0 for isometric, and here I will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, and create a circle and provide it diameter of 40 mm. Select the point and line, click on coincidence, and we will come out of the sketch, close it, and we will extrude it to the distance of 10 mm. So select extrude, select reverse, provide the 10 mm, and here it seems to like two depressed solids, so we will refine the shape, set refine is true. Now click on the pad, click on the mirror, go to the select reference and select this mid plane, click on OK, and here also it seems to be like a separate solid, so select mirror and go refine, set it true, and now we will move to the next feature. Press 0 for isometric, and now here we will create this cut, so we will on our origin plane and select this mid plane and click on the sketch, and from here we will switch to the wireframe, and we will off the origin plane and click on the project geometry and project this edge, and here I will create a rectangle and I will make it symmetric. Select this point and this axis, go to the conflict constraint and delete or deactivate it. Select the horizontal dimension, and this is of 25, and from the vertical dimension it is of the 15. Select the vertical, do the 15, click on close, press V7 for shaded view, select the sketch, click on extrude, and from here say it true all and click on symmetric to the plane, so it will cut on the both the sides. And now we will create this cut at the bottom. So if we go to our pad, so we have not made the cut here. In fact we can include it here, but no issue. We will select the face and click on the sketch, and here we will create a rectangle and made it symmetric. Select this point and this axis, and we will delete it. And this is of 40. Select horizontal dimension, provide the 40, and vertical is of 10. So select it and provide the vertical dimension of 10 mm. Click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all. And now we will create this hole. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry, select the circle, and create a circle of dia 20, provide it diameter 20, click on close, select extrude cut, say through all, and we will select the last feature and set refine is true. So this is how we have completed this model. We have successfully converted this orthographic drawing into the 3D model in FreeCAD with the help of a part design workbench, and our shape is also matching with the isometric view. Now we will select the last features and provide the approximate color. Let's adjust the color, click on OK. So this is how we have successfully modeled this part, and this tutorial is for very beginner user, those who have just started learning the part modeling in FreeCAD. And I hope as a beginner user you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.